What if you could read, take notes, draw, and browse the web all on one screen, without the eye strain? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to the Bigme B751C color ebook reader, a game changer in the world of digital reading and note-taking. Let's get into the unboxing. So right off the bat, we have two boxes here, and inside the first one, we've got some pretty neat stuff. The Bigme B751C color ebook reader itself with a 7-inch e-ink display, packed with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. But before we dive into the device, let's see what else we've got in the box. We've got the stylus for writing and drawing, which feels pretty solid. There's a USB Type-C to USB-A cable for charging, a warranty card, and a little bit of paperwork, as usual. Oh, and we also get a SIM ejector tool and some extra nibs for the stylus. Now, let's move on to the second box. Here's the case for the device. It's slim, stylish, and fits perfectly with the B751C. Now that we've got everything laid out, let's take a closer look at the device. You've got your power button on top, and on the bottom, you'll find the SD card slot and a microphone. On the side, there's a charging port, a speaker, and yes, you can even expand the storage with a micro SD card up to 1 TB. So, what makes this device stand out? The screen. The B751C features a 7-inch e-ink Carta 1200 display, delivering sharp, crisp black and white content with a resolution of 1264 by 1680 at 300 ppi. But what's even cooler is the color display, which has a resolution of 632 by 840 at 150 pixels per inch. Whether you're reading an ebook, browsing a website, or diving into a comic, the colors really pop, making your content come to life. Now, let's talk specs. The device runs on Android 11, so it's compatible with a ton of apps, including Google Play. It's powered by an octa-core 2.3 GHz processor, and with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, you've got plenty of power and space for all your content. Plus, it's light and portable at just 212 grams, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. Bigme has made sure that the display is flicker-free, which means no distortion or eye strain, even during long reading sessions. And if you're reading in the dark? No problem. The 36-level adjustable LED lights let you choose between warm and cold lighting for the perfect reading experience, day or night. Speaking of the screen, let's talk about Kaleido 3 and Bigme's auto-clean ghosting technology. With X rapid refresh technology, the screen refreshes quickly, up to 12 frames per second, reducing ghosting and making comics, websites, and video streaming much smoother. It's not just about speed though. The refresh technology also cuts down on power consumption, so you can enjoy more hours of reading and drawing without worrying about battery life. Now, if you're the multitasking type, you're going to love the split screen feature. You can read an ebook on one side and take notes, or annotate on the other, all at once. No more flipping back and forth. Plus, with the ability to sync your notes to the cloud, you're always ready to pick up right where you left off, even if you switch devices. Oh, and did I mention the voice recording capabilities? You can instantly record meetings, conversations, and even use voice to text with online tools. It's got noise cancellation too, which means better clarity for those recordings. To wrap it all up, if you're someone who reads a lot, takes notes, sketches, or just enjoys having an all-in-one device that's easy on the eyes, the Bigme B751C color ebook reader is definitely worth checking out. With its amazing screen, great performance, and cool features, it's pretty much a game changer for how we consume content and get work done. So, what do you think? Is the Bigme B751C the future of reading and note-taking? Let me know in the comments below.